Now here is something that uh, we got one of these at our yard. We just got it. We got tried them, try drive, short side uh, bed for one of our trucks. We got two of these. We have a tandem and also a triaxle like this. Called triaxle, tridem, however you want to say it. So, and it it is the perfect plow truck, right? For us, it works perfectly, and this is a really good option too, right? And same thing, you don't have. I mean, if you really want to uh, be different and get a truck that's affordable, I'm telling you from experience, you can go out and buy. I mean, we like our my company, we took a X logging truck, Kenworth logging truck, and we took the back. Basically, I think the company bought it at the auction, Richard Brother auction. It was really low miles and it was really good shape, and they basically converted it into a dump truck, and it's beautiful. I wish I had pictures of it to show you guys, but I don't. But it's a great option to do this because a tri-axle like this will give you lots of weight capacity. Lots of weight capacity. You have the gearing, you have the horsepower, you get everything. And with the combination of this cargo contractors or landscaping bed, even with a high lift gate like that, like this here, it is the best of both worlds. Guaranteed, it is. So these are all things you have to really have to look for, and you get, like I said, here you get lots and lots of length, and you can haul lots of weight with this truck. I think you could probably haul this truck here. You could probably haul the same amount of weight as a 4-foot side truck, maybe a little bit more, because you got more weight capacity, and more likely it's gonna be a double frame truck. So lots of combinations out there, guys, and I can go on and on and on. And some people tell you this and that and whatever else, but you have to use your brain. It's too hard, it's too expensive, and it's too hard to go out and buy your perfect truck. Buy it brand new is what I'm talking about. Brand new is very expensive. So, if you want to set up your dump trucking business, I mean, you're going to pay a little bit of money to convert your truck over to something like this, right? But then you're going to have a truck that's going to last and last and last. Just takes a little bit of just use your legs and your brain a little bit, and find someone who can do this conversion for you, because you're going to save yourself a lot of money. A little bit of leg work, a little bit of brain power, and you can have a decent dump truck that would outperform many old guys and not break the bank. So, very interesting stuff. We'll carry on. This is another truck. A lot of little landscapers use. It's a little 1-ton, or maybe better, maybe more, little Ford truck. I like the heavy duty Fords. I really like them because they go up in that that 450, like between the 350 and the 550. I would like that range. And at work we have a 550 dump truck, and I love it. And it's really good with the snowplow on it and the sander on the back. It's really good, and we have a hoist on it for picking up dead animals, and it is just a good little truck. And you also can see it has the low side on it, which makes it very good for loading with a compact tractor, or a skid steer, or a mini excavator, a big excavator, even a backhoe and such. Very useful. So this is another really good combination of truck that you shouldn't put out of your mind. Just because it's small doesn't mean it can't do the job, because it can. But you don't need to have the big bonnet on there, right? Like this one. This is a bit overkill, right? But it looks kind of cool. It works. Anyways, carry on.